Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Today's Panchangam, Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Moogambiga Devasthanam, Trivandrum. Karthikei 17th month, 3rd December 2025, Wednesday. Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayam, Sharadrado, Karthikei Masam, that is Vrchiga Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 10:16 a.m. Trayodashi, then Chaturdashi. Saumyavasaram, that is Wednesday, Nakshatram up to 4:51 p.m. Bharani Nakshatram, then Kritika Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Gulyagalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Sunrise 6:19 a.m. Chandrashtamam 4 Kanni Rashi. Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Shraddha Chaturdashi. Today Kritigai Annamalayar Deevam today. Locally in Kerala, we are celebrating Kartika on tomorrow. As Paurnami and Kritika comes tomorrow only. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.